This is 8528 on the Disney Magic. This is a Concierge family ocean view with veranda. It's a category 3A, generally your least expensive entry into Concierge. Everything inside is upgraded. It's the same size as a category 4, but you will see some upgrades in here, like the toiletries, the linens, the couch. The carpets are different. It's a very nice size room. This one sleeps 5. So we have one on the sofa bed here, one on the pull down, and one on that Murphy bed right there. And there's a lot of space, plenty of space for 5. And it is a standard size veranda. We're at Fort Lauderdale right now. And there you have it.